Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make salted duck egg yolk, tofu shrimp soup. Hope you will like it. First, prepare 2 salted duck eggs and peel them. Separate the egg yolk from egg white. We only need the egg yolk for today's soup. For the egg white, we can keep it for other uses. Use a spoon to press the egg yolk. Make sure it becomes smooth and soft. Now we need to cut some scallions. And we also need to peel some shrimps. Don't forget to get rid of the shrimp knife. Add 1 spoon of cooking oil and a little black pepper. Mix well. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil. Put the scallions into the pan. When we smell the flavor of scallion, add the egg yolk into the pan too. Stir fry until the egg yolk oil comes out. Add the shrimps into the pan. Stir fry until the shrimps become pink. Now add some water. Prepare a small box of neck-tone tofu and add into the pan. Cover the pan and wait until it boils. In the meantime, we can prepare some starch water. Remove the cover. Add ½ teaspoon of salt. Pour the starch water into the pan. Wait until it boils again. Turn off the fire. In the end, add some scallions on the top. It is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next episode.